Hey, my fellow moneymakers, it's your boy PTC Pet, and as you can see, the green screen is still effective. We're gonna be talking about drip in a moment, as of course, I'm going to explain the basics of the project, what to expect from it, what's the price doing in the moment. We're just going to go and go through the program, as I believe it's going to rise a lot with the updates coming about Animal Farm, without multiple pools where you can put in your LP, and a whole lot of new users gonna come to the project. As you can see in the moment, I got right around 3000 drip in it. I'm going to recompound using the hydrate button. So I will be at 16,500. And you can see that I got some referral rewards. I got some claimed. I got a max payout. Let's just first talk about drip, and then we're going to see what's going to happen. So let's go below. About drip is players can participate by purchasing drip from the platform swap page. Let me show you guys where that is. You're gonna go here and see that button says get drip. You can also go here to swap if you're on the telephone. It just says swap. And then you can see that you can just buy some drip. One thing you will have to do before is you're going to be pressing that approve drip if you're a new user, as it will not be valid to just join without being a new user, of course. You will have first to approve that you can spend your drip. Then you just, let's say I'm going to buy 1 BNB of drip. I will be getting 57 drip. Let's say I'm going to buy 100 BNB of drip. You can see that I will get this amount. Be sure to know that there is a fee on buying, not on buying, there's a fee on depositing. So after you have bought some drip, you're going to go to the faucet and you're going to see here, get a buddy. I got a buddy address. You can find it. Yeah, you can find it in my links. So you're gonna be doing the buddy. Then there's a button here like update my buddy, and then you can just start depositing. You will get 2 clicks because the first click is to approve your drip, and then your second click is going to be to deposit it. You will be getting a 1% every day, no matter what the price of drip is. It will keep paying out drip. Let's say the price goes up, you're going to be having a little bit more. The price goes down, you're going to be having a little bit less, but still you get 1% a day of the amount that you see here. So guys, let's talk through it. And of course, drip is almost paying out for 2 years. So I'm very grateful to have found the project. I've been ROI already. And let me just explain a little bit about the project. Players can participate by purchasing drip from the platform swap page, by joining another user's drip team with a 1 drip minimum requirement. Depositing drip to the faucet contract earns a consistent 1% daily return on your drip with a 365% maximum payout. So let's say you're going to be putting in 1 drip. You can pay out 3.65 drip. Let's say you're going to put in 1000 drip. That means that you can pay out 3650 drip. As simple as that. Players can also compound their earnings through regular deposits, rolling rewards, as well as team-based referrals. Unlike many other platforms promising a consistent daily return, Faucet's contract cannot drain and will always be able to provide the drip that has been rewarded. Drip rewards come from a 10% tax on all drip transactions. So if you're going to airdrop somebody, you're paying 10%. If you're going to deposit, you're paying 10%. If you're claiming, you're paying 10%, and if you're selling, you're paying 10%. That sounds like a lot, but see it like this. If the price of drip goes up, you'll not even notice it. And I believe that 100 drip, if you like hydrate every day, can turn into over 3000 drip in a year's time. So it's like the power of compounding. And of course, we never know if the project is gonna go up, if the project is gonna go down. It's always we just hope. But I can say that the team behind it is very active. The project is already doing it for a long time. So the best strategy for drip is to focus on real-world adoption by building out your team through referrals, as you will receive bonus rewards from referrals on their deposits and downline. Bonuses from players they refer based on the amount of BR34P held in your wallet, where like 2 BR34P will get you like 1 level deep earning, and like 1600 BR34P is going to give you, they call it BREP, but it's a weird word, BREP. So you can see to earn maximum 15 levels deep. It's a great thing. And let's check it out. You can see here that this amount is what I got now. And here you see 40.82 drip. I'm going to be pressing the hydrate button, recompound, which makes it a great thing is that we are going to be passing the 3000 drip. I'm having like goals all the time, and like this is a goal, and like 3000 drip is a goal. So now I'm breaking my 3000 drip. That means that I'll be getting 33 drip a day. What does that mean? That means that if I'm going to be waiting, 1 second, I'm sitting on my green screen. That means that if I'm going to be recompounding or selling, like every 3 days, I make 100 drip. That's a great thing. Oh wait, I'm calculating wrong. Every 3 days, I'm making almost 100 drip. So I cannot complain about that. That's like $165 times 3. So yeah, minus a small percent. Let's say every 3 days now I make with this project, with this account, I make $400. Yeah, let's say $150 a day. So that's a great thing. And of course, like I said, you can just decide if you want to claim. If I press the claim button, that means that this amount that I got here is gonna go to my wallet. Then I can just go to get drip. I can press the sell button, and then I just press sell, and it automatically converts to BNB and fills my wallet. I've been making a whole lot of accounts for family and friends, so everybody's like crazy on the drip team. So if this is something that you would like to see or like to try, you can always leave me a message. I can explain it a lot better. But for now, I'm just happy that I've broken my 3000 drip deposits. You can also see that I claimed 5000 drip. And you can also see here that this is 16,500. And my max payout, as you can see here, I already paid out 5,000 drip. My max payout would be 11,000. So let's make a quick calculation. If I would go like with current price, I go like 11,000 minus, oh wait, just 11,000. 11,000 minus 5,000 would give me 6,000 drip. And that means with the current price of 5.45 times 5.45 would make it that I could still pay out $32,700 without reinvesting. And as you can see, I'm reinvesting quite a lot, as I want to make sure that I am going to be earning in the future also. So thanks for watching, guys. This is of course PTC Pet from the Netherlands. I've been away for a while, but now ready to kick it some more. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, be blessed, and let's keep making money together, guys.